Morning, students. I, Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School, a school with a difference. Today, I'm going to discuss with you all model test paper for the month of September for class 9, and this is module 4. Today we are going to discuss writing section. Here is diary entry of 5 marks. You paid a visit to an old age home with other NSS volunteers. Using the hints given below together with your own ideas, make a diary entry of what you saw and experienced there. Hints are also given to you like old home, mostly senior citizens above 60, peaceful surroundings, spacious clean rooms and bath, regular medical checkups, a good library, means of recreation, a home away from home. Here is given the solution to this question. Diary entry, which is of 5 marks. Remember, first of all, you are to enter date and day and the time of writing the diary. As here is written, Dear Diary, with the disintegration of the joint family system, the old people find themselves deserted and alone. It is unfortunate that in the evening of their lives, they are not looked after by their children. The concept of old homes is for such old people. I made it a point to visit old home at Bhiwadi. The home is situated at a peaceful place, and here you can see the rest part of diary entry. The building is simple but spacious and clean. It seemed to be an ideal place for senior citizens, and all other facilities of this old age home is described here are described here. So this is about diary entry, how you are to write. Aradhana started writing a story of two boys in jungle. Due to the pressure of heavy engagement, she gave up after writing a line or so. Taking help from the inputs given below and basing on the introduction, Aradhana made develop a complete story. And here are given hints for the story. Outline is also given to you. So you are to write a story on the basis of given outline. Here is given the solution. Biru and Karim for the young Carol. The next week their school was going to organize a camp near a forest in Ponmadi. The following week they joined the camp. One day they went out together. They thought of going inside the forest to explore it. Soon they lost their way. The sun had set. They were walking along the Barrier Lake river. They heard a loud noise. They stood still and listened to it. There were the sound of an animal coming towards them. It was the sound of a big animal. He was just 50 meters away from them. The elephant smelled them too. He saw them standing quietly behind an oak tree. He raised his long trunk up in the air and trumpeted loudly. Here is the rest part of the story. The boys didn't move. Biru was a little frightened, but Karim was not. Slowly, the elephant started coming nearer and nearer. Now he was only 10 meters away. Let's do something, said Karim. Do it before he attacks us, said Viru. Karim pulled out a balloon from his pocket. He put it in his mouth and started blowing into the balloon. At last, it was blown to the size of a small bag. Karim hit the blown balloon hard with his hand. Bang, bang. The elephant stopped and trumpeted angrily. He was confused. Elephant turned away and disappeared into the forest. The boys ran till they reached safe at the camp. So this is all for today. We will meet soon in our next module. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.